In the diagram, the line segment with endpoints P -40 and Q 16, is the diameter of a semicircle. If the point R0T is on the circle with T greater than 0, then T is what? Now, sometimes diagrams need to be finished in order to make sense. In this case, we need a center of the circle. So that's going to be 6, 0. The circle has a radius of 10. So you can think of this as a little mini triangle, and we can apply the Pythagorean theorem because this side has a length of 6, this side has a length of 10, this side has a length of t, which is unknown. So t is equal to the square root of 100 minus 36, and that's equal to 8. If a and b are two distinct numbers with a plus b divided by a minus b equaling 3, then what is a divided by b equal to? A plus b is equal to 3 times a minus b. A little bit of manipulation. A divided by b is going to be -4 divided by -2. So the answer is D. Question 18. There are two values of k for which the equation x squared plus 2k plus 7k minus 10 equals 0 has two equal real roots. That is, it has exactly one solution for x. What is the sum of these values of k? In high school, you'll learn that a parabola has two equal real roots. That is, it touches the x-axis at only one point if the discriminant is equal to 0. Now, Kine, what the heck is a discriminant? When you do the quadratic formula, we all know that's negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This guy here is the discriminant. If this thing is 0, then the whole quadratic equation only has one root. So we want this thing to equal 0. B is the coefficient next to x. So b is going to be 2k, so we square that, minus 4 times a, that's just a 1. C is the constant, so that's everything that doesn't have an x attached to it. That looks like 7k minus 10 equals 0. This whole thing is going to simplify to another quadratic.
A few moments later.
K equals 2 or 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, so the answer is E. Question 19. The y-intercepts of three parallel lines are 2, 3, and 4. The sum of the x-intercepts of the three lines is 36. What is the slope of these parallel lines? For now, I'm just going to say that this number is A. Since these are equally spaced apart, I know that these three must also be equally spaced apart, so this is going to be some a minus k, a plus k. These three together, those cancel out. That's just equal to 3a, and we know that that sums to 36. So a is equal to 12. Well, slope is equal to rise over run, 3 over 12. That's equal to 1/4, but it's going to be a negative 1/4 because the slope is negative and it's pointed in that direction. So the answer is E. For how many integers a, with a being between 1 and 10, is a to the power of 2014 plus a to the power of 2015 divisible by 5? You look at this and you think, oh my gosh, how am I going to know a number to the power of 2014 that doesn't even fit in my calculator? Well, you're sort of going to have to be a bit creative about the laws of exponents. So let's think about it this way. We can factor out a to the power of 2014, and then what's left is just a 1 plus a. So we want to know what value of a makes this divisible by 5. If a is equal to 5 or 10, then this thing is going to be a multiple of 5 or 10, because 5 times 5, 2014 times, is going to be another multiple of 5. Same thing with 10. If a is equal to 4 or 9, that will make this thing a multiple of 5, because if a is equal to 4, then 1 plus 4 is 5. So 4 to the power of 2014 is going to be some huge number, times 5 makes this a multiple of 5. If it's 9, then this guy here is going to be a multiple of 10, and 10 is a multiple of 5, so that would make the whole product a multiple of 5. If a is equal to any other number, then neither of these is going to be a multiple of 5. The only possible options are these four numbers, so the answer is C, 4.